Now that Armourshake gives the Class 4 impact rating, it gives myself and the homeowner more peace of mind. Armourshake is one of the heavier, nicer shingles on the market. We're a family business. My father and I, we were both roofers ourselves, where there's a lot of companies out there that own roofing companies that have never put a shingle on. We can relate to our guys, and we really understand the difficulty of the job and how to get it done in the best possible way. We're out here in Morgan Creek, Surrey, and this is a larger strata than most. They are in a cedar or better subdivision where they actually had to go to the municipality and fight back and forth to get the asphalt shingles approved because their first cedar roof only lasts them about 16 years.
5 years ago, I was invited to the clubhouse here at the Carrington to showcase IKO Armourshake, and IKO won it because of the quality, availability, pricing, and the determination to have a better shingle put on the roof than cedar.
And this is the first one in Morgan Creek that has been converted over to asphalt shingles.
This project is quite possibly the largest Armourshake project in all of North America. It's 27,500 bundles of Armourshake Weathered Stone, which equates to about 5,500 squares of roofing material. And that's just in 4 phases. There's still another phase to come.
Roof Mart delivered most of our product to site and had all the product in stock and ready for us to take it as needed. IKO and Roof Mart have been great to deal with. We've had no issues on this 5,500 square project.
To have 27,500 bundles of product installed with not a single problem, phenomenal. I was just saying that to the lead hand here today. I was like, why haven't you called me? And he said, not a single issue. And that's why they're getting pizza today.